Have you ever wondered what nature's secret is to radiant, glowing skin? In the quest for the best skincare solutions, we often overlook the most natural and readily available remedies. The answer may not be in the latest high-end beauty product or a complicated skincare regimen. Perhaps the secret is hiding in plain sight, right in our kitchens. So, let's embark on a journey to discover nature's secret. What if the answer is as simple as avocado oil, a natural ingredient you might already have in your pantry? Yes, you heard that right. Avocado oil, a natural skincare powerhouse, is the secret we're unveiling today. This wonder oil is derived from the creamy fruit we all love, the avocado. But did you know that this delicious fruit also yields an oil that's been a staple in skincare routines for centuries? That's right, avocado oil, laden with essential nutrients, is extracted from the flesh of the fruit. While the avocado fruit itself hails from south-central Mexico, today you'll find it growing in warm climates around the world, and its oil gracing the shelves of health and beauty stores globally. From the ancient civilizations of the Aztecs to the modern-day beauty gurus, avocado oil has been revered for its skin-loving properties. And it's not just a passing fad, but a time-tested ingredient that continues to impress. Now that we've introduced avocado oil, let's dive into what makes it so beneficial for your skin. Avocado oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a skin-nourishing elixir that packs a punch. This green gold, as some like to call it, brings a plethora of benefits to your daily skincare routine. Firstly, avocado oil is a hydration hero. It's packed with essential fatty acids that help to moisturize and nourish your skin. These fatty acids form a protective layer over the skin, locking in moisture and keeping your skin soft and supple throughout the day. Next, let's talk about the antioxidants. Avocado oil is rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, which helps to protect your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals. This means it can help mitigate the signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles, and keep your skin looking youthful and fresh. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocado oil is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains plant compounds called sterolins that help to soothe inflammation and redness. This makes it an excellent choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. And let's not forget about the skin barrier. Avocado oil helps to strengthen your skin's natural barrier, protecting it from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. It not only keeps your skin healthy, but also enhances its glow. With all these benefits, it's no wonder avocado oil is hailed as nature's nectar for radiant skin. So, why should avocado oil be your go-to for natural skincare? Let's quickly recap the key points we've covered. First and foremost, avocado oil is a gift from Mother Nature herself. With its natural origin, it's free from harsh chemicals and artificial additives that may harm your skin. Next, we talked about its hydrating properties. Avocado oil is packed with fatty acids that nourish and moisturize your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Then, we delved into its rich antioxidant content, including vitamins A, D, E, and omega-3 fatty acids. These antioxidants protect your skin from environmental damage and slow down the aging process. Lastly, we discussed its anti-inflammatory abilities. Avocado oil can soothe irritated skin and reduce inflammation, making it a great option for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. So, why not try incorporating avocado oil into your skincare routine? Remember, radiant skin is just an avocado away. Give nature's nectar a try and let your skin thank you for it.